there a bag in here anywhere? Is this a Christmas bag? It's gonna be a Christmas bag. Boom. Doesn't fit. Is this a Christmas bag? No, but it's the same size. It's no good bag. So what you're saying is we gotta wrap this? It's fine. It's fine. X-Shot. It's the best ammo for airsoft that one can imagine. Look at that. Look at that BB size right there. Precise 6mm right there. Precision. I recommend you can get a whole box of this for $500. Don't look $500, okay? For 200 pristine ammo. Special delivered for you, wrapped, ready for Christmas for your airsoft family. These are good high-powered rounds. They give you extra distance and 100% extra precision. So we're just gonna take this. We're just gonna tape it down. Ow. Just like that. Look at that. Tape. We order now. This is $500 for 200 BBs that are gonna to make you shoot power and your accuracy 110% better on top of your regular 100%. It's amazing. It's scientifically proven. Don't ask me how, but it's proven. If you want to shoot like Novrich, you can do that now with just these BBs. Shoot like Siley, you can do that now. You want to be Jet the Desert Fox with, you know, cool stuff? Yeah, right here. Airsoft Dolphins right here. It's all in one box. It's all ready to go, pre-wrapped. We're selling it here at Golden Mariri. Shipping and handling $200, but we got your back. Don't worry, with your 60-day coverage upon time of order placement. It's okay. You're gonna be, once you get these, it's gonna be 100. You're gonna be shooting like any pros, and you're gonna be okay.